Alright, back with the next one. This is question 5 from 25E. So we've got a number of marsupials entering a park at night. Not sure why they have the dark glasses on. I'm not sure that helps them. Or maybe they're just really big eyes. I don't know. Here we've got the distribution follows the rule. Probability of x is equal to little x. So x is the name of the distribution. Little x is each of the possible answers. Is a times x squared minus 8x, where x equals 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 8. What would this look like? Oh, my phone is ringing. That's my wife. You can hear the alarm in the background. I'll be back in a second. Good news, the emergency's over. We can continue. So here I have the possible values of x, and we had 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I hit enter, is it going to... Oh, look at that, it did work. And the next one is the probability that x equals... the little x value. Well, that didn't work because it didn't give me a bracket. That's because I'm pressing caps lock. So yeah, I should look at what I'm doing. So these are actually little x's. And the probability that x equals x. Now we find this by going x squared minus 8x. This is 0 squared minus 8 times 0. That's just 0. 1 squared minus 8 times 1 is negative 7, and remember we've got the constant a in front, so this is actually negative 7a. Or it would be negative 7a if I click back in the right place. The next one, if I substitute in 2, I get 4 minus 16, that's negative 12a. The next one, 3 squared is 9 minus 24. 9 minus 24 is negative 15a. 4 squared minus that's negative 16a. 25 minus 40, negative 15a. Looks like there's a bit of a pattern developing here. It's a quadratic, would make sense, but let's just do it anyway. 6 squared, 36 minus 48, negative 12a. Now you're pretty sure of the pattern, but you can check them anyway. 7 squared minus 56, so 49 minus 56 is negative 7a. I want to go 8 squared minus 8 times 8, well that's 0, so that'd be 0a. So it disappeared, so there it is. Now, we know this is a probability distribution. What does that mean? It means the sum of all the probabilities has to equal 1. Ooh, don't know what I'm doing up there on the page. Let's get my pen down in the right place. Here we go. So therefore, 1 is equal to... I'm just going to factor out the a. You can see every term's got an a in it. And what are my values here? Negative 7 plus negative 12 plus negative 15 plus negative 16 plus negative 15 plus negative 12 plus negative 7. Add all the probabilities together. That's what I'm saying, plus negative. We all know that it's minus, but that's okay. 1 equals a. Now let's see, what do I get when I do this? 30, 46, 56, 66, 70, 84. A by negative 84. So negative 1 on 84 is going to equal a. Pretty ugly 84, but hopefully you can at least understand it if I said it. So there you go. That's the constant a. Find the expected number of marsupials entering the park on a given night. So to do part B here, get my pen back. So the expected number, remember, is just each outcome multiplied by its probability. So it's 1 multiplied by negative 7 on 84 plus 2 multiplied by negative 12 on 84. Yes, I know some of these simplify, but let's just keep it going for now. That's going to continue until all the way up to 7 multiplied by negative 7 over 84. Push buttons on your calculator and it's going to spit out an answer for us. I will pause and come back once I've done that. Well, I'm back and you should get an answer that is equal to 4. I'm writing upside down, that's why it's not writing anything. It's using the eraser part of the pen. That would be silly. There you go. For the next bit, the standard deviation, you've got to go through your actual calculation. You can do it a couple of different ways. Again, standard deviations, we are probably going to be using a calculator to work those out. We're not expecting a great deal on the formula, although it's handy if you know it just in case. Alright, see you in the next question. Keep up the good work. Cheers.